So I'm going to be going back to my roots here and showing you guys how I do a simple rope braid. It's super easy and always gives stunning results. So here's how I do it. I'm just gonna break it down step by step and hope you guys can try it out at home and let me know what you think. So I obviously need to work on my camera angles a little bit here, but I promise I'll try to get better. So I sped it up until it gets a little more clear what I'm doing. So I'm just grabbing sections from each side and then twisting them. So switching what hands I'm holding them in. And then I'm just gonna continue to do that without adding hair into the bottom. And then I'm gonna grab the sides of those and just pull it out to make the braid look a little fluffier. I elastic these in place to help it stay tight and not fall out and look sad. And then I'm just gonna bobby pin it where I want it. Cover it up with the hair, and then I added some cute hair clips. So there you go.